Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin cream cheese crumb bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then lightly grease a 9x5" loaf pan and set it aside for now. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, brown sugar, salt, and cinnamon, and mix them together until they're combined. Then cut the butter into small cubes and add it into the mixture. And I'm using a pastry cutter to mix it in. If you don't have one, you can just rub it in using your fingers. Either way, you need to mix it in until the mixture is crumbly and there are no more large chunks of butter. Then set it aside for now. Then to make the cream cheese filling, in another medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and salt, and beat them with an electric mixer until it's well combined. Then set it aside for now. Then to make the pumpkin bread batter, in a medium or large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the melted butter and pumpkin puree. If you're using canned pumpkin puree, make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. And add in the eggs that are at room temperature and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them in until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour about half of the pumpkin bread batter into the prepared loaf pan. Spread it out to the edges. Then add half of the cream cheese filling in dollops on top of it. And use a skewer or the back of a knife to make a marble effect. Then add the rest of the pumpkin bread batter on top of it. Add dollops of the rest of the cream cheese filling on top. I know it seems like a lot, but some of it will absorb into the pumpkin bread batter as it bakes, so it needs a lot so you can still see the cream cheese filling in the bread after it bakes. And swirl them together. Then sprinkle on the crumb topping. Don't add all of it, it needs room to rise in the oven. Then bake it in the oven for about an hour or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then carefully turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack and let it cool for another 15 minutes. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make pumpkin cream cheese crumb bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.